Okay, after you install the VMware player, you download the zip file for Ubuntu, Linux. If you right click on the folder, you can say extract all, and then just click extract. And that'll put it in its own folder. Now the beauty of VMware appliances is if I go in and I make whatever changes I want, if I mess something up in the operating system, well, it's contained in this one folder. So it's a virtual world. So if I delete the folder and just extract my zip file again, then I'm back up and running. So very nice way to learn, because you really have no danger of making a mistake in a production environment that can cost companies a lot of money. Okay. Now while that's extracting, I want to point out the passwords here. And this is on their website, so I'm not like revealing a personal, private information on their setup. For user password, the user is user, lowercase, password is password, and if it ever asks for the root password is password. Okay, looks like that's finished, so I'm going to double click the folder, double click that folder again. And we're looking for the file that says ubuntu.vmx. It says VMware Virtual Machine Configuration. So I'm going to double click that. And comes up with this. If it does on yours, just click OK. And see if all devices can be connected. I'll click OK on that. Remind me later on software updates. Okay, so it's going through, giving some messages, looks like. Don't worry about those. Okay. Continue to wait or press S to skip mounting or M for manual recovery. It is not ready or not present. So press skip or S to skip. Actually, I got to click inside of it first. Control Alt takes you out of it. And I'm not sure if it's wanting me to click S anymore. I might have missed the opportunity. It'll take a little bit to come up the first time. Slow. Okay, there it goes. It's already signed on. Now to get to your terminal, over here on the left hand side, you'll see a terminal icon. So if I click that, this will come up where you can issue commands. And for example, I can do an ls to list on whatever's in that where I'm currently located at. Now, let's say I'm done. I want to exit out of this. If I click the X up here, it'll say, how do you want to close a virtual machine? It'll say suspend or power off. Suspend will keep your current environment so that when you log in again, it'll continue from where you left off. So I'll click suspend. And wait for that to come. Power off. There it goes. Now when I go into the VMX again, double click that. And click OK. Shouldn't take as long to come up this time. It says restoring virtual machine state. Click OK on that. Okay. Now, at this point, remind me later, keep saying the same prompts for these. And you get to here. And again, you're right where you left off. So you can continue your commands. Now, like I say, if you can play with this as much as you want. If you mess up on it, then you just need to delete that folder and start it over.